it's Diane with So Charming Quilts, and I am here to do a big reveal today. This is our February quilt. Remember, we are doing the Robert Kaufman 2022 calendar series. We had January last month, and then we are revealing today, even though it is March, we're revealing our February quilt, which is cross churn. Kathleen, the owner of the studio, is the one that put this quilt together using the Kona Cotton solids. They used a variety of different purples, but I want you to zoom in. We used a leaf vine pano, which has some hearts. It's got a little vine, and it's just perfect with this quilt. If you notice on the back, we used a mulberry thread, and we used a QT color blends, and that stitching, it just disappears. It gives it kind of that puffy look, but the stitching disappears beautiful into the background. If you are following us on YouTube, you can subscribe to our channel. We have a bunch of instructional videos. We're getting ready to reveal some of the pictures and videos for our March quilt, which is Harvest. You can follow us on Facebook or Instagram and give us a shout out. Along with all of our tutorials and our videos, we have kits available on our website. You can visit us at www.socharmingquilts.com. And one last thing, we have our March Madness special for St. Patrick's Day on March 17th online or in the studio. You can receive 17% off your purchase. There are just a few exclusions, but if you wear green into the studio that day, we'll give you an additional 3% off for a total of 20% off your purchase. Got to remember to wear your green.